Hello, lovely ladies. Wishing all of you a very happy Women's Day. So, today's message of Life Leadership Movement is dedicated to us, women. Women are the leaders. Women are special. Women are compassionate. Women are empowering. They are caring. They are nurturing. They are supporting. Women are multidimensional. They are creators. They are the leaders. Sometimes they are the leaders without the title. Most of the teachers in our formal education system also are women. These teachers, including our mothers, lay the foundation of our life. They help us in creating a better future. They are the creators of our future. So today with me, I have our friends from education sector. And I would like them to share their message on role of women in education and their contribution in the future of India. I'm really thankful to them, and I take this opportunity to show our gratitude towards people who are contributing in the education of the country. So here we have the messages from these lovely ladies.
Hello everyone. Wishing you all a very happy Women's Day. One of the most populated organization with women is school. Why school? There are various reasons, but the most vital is existence of children in the school. Women are acknowledged for their amazing ability for understanding, caring, empathizing, and loving children. This makes their profile best suited as per the need of various stakeholders of education.
Dear friends, happy Women's Day. If you have to recollect your teachers in school or college, most of them will be faces of women. That's education sector with women predominance. Education is a noble profession, and who can be better than women who have intrinsic qualities of care, concern, sensing and counseling capabilities. A great opportunity to change the world is a motivation for more women who wish to join the education sector. At ITM Business School, I feel proud to be part of the 70% women employees. Though as per McKinsey's report in 2018 on power of parity, contribution of Indian women is a mere 18% in our GDP, one of the lowest proportions in the whole world. But India has one of the largest opportunities to boost its GDP by $770 billion by advancing women's equality. But this calls for a stupendous transformation. Once again, happy Women's Day to all my dear friends. Thank you.
The role of women in education has indeed undergone a paradigm shift, creating and nurturing the socio-cultural and religious ethos, which has indeed empowered the society. Wishing a very happy Women's Day to the strong pillars for whom sky is not the limit.
Female education in India has been very important need of new era. We cannot hope for the development of any nation without the proper education of the women of the society. In ancient India also, if we look back, we have seen that women have contributed a lot in writing literature like Vedas. Women play a very important role in the progress of a family, society and country. In order to make democracy successful in the country, women education is necessary together with men. And they are playing very important role in the field of education, as many of the women are involved and are a part of education system from higher secondary school to university level. Thank you.
I'm Garima Arora Kannan, wishing all of you a very happy Women's Day. This is Life Leadership Movement, inspiring each one of you to take the charge of your life and be the leader of your life.